Dalgaard, your first minutes for the first 11 of Heerenveen. What's your first impression?
It was really good. I got a good applause from the audience when I got in, and I was happy for that, of course. Got one big chance, missed it, unfortunately. But it's always nice to start playing. I make some mistakes, but it's the first game, so it's normal, I think.
Yeah, I saw a little frustration after missing that little chance.
Yeah, I always want to score the goals, and when I miss the chances, I get frustrated and get angry at myself. But you know, that football, you score and you miss chances. That's what it's all about.
You're from the Danish league, so you trained a couple of days here now in Heerenveen. If you compare it to the Danish league, what's the difference? Is the level higher, for example?
It's difficult to say, of course. I think there's a bigger top in the Dutch league. We have some good teams, Copenhagen, for example. They play on an international level as well, but there's a lot of bigger teams down here, and we play more possession football and attacking football. Everybody likes that kind of football, and I do too, yeah, of course.
Yeah. Did you already talk with the coach about your position? Well, your striker, of course, but do you have to compete with Oud for the striker position?
Yeah, I think it's normal. He's also played on top, so yeah, of course there's a competition, and of course I hope I can play. I talked with the coach about my position and what kind of player I am, but so it's up to him now to choose.
Yeah. You didn't play the whole match. Can I say it was not really a good match?
I think we lost the ball too quick, and we want to keep the ball more, but. It's difficult with a new coach, and of course my first game here, I didn't know how we played before, but I think we can do better.
Yeah, because what kind of striker are you? Are you a striker who wants the ball in his feet, or like Finnbogason, who always goes deep?
Yeah, more like that. Yeah, I think actually we are kind of the same players. We're not the biggest with the technique, but we have good nose for where to go. And how to score and be calm when we get the chance.
So you need a kind of player like Ziyech, for example, who can give a good pass.
Who?
Ziyech, Hakim Ziyech.
Yeah, of course I do. Of course I do. Yeah, he has a good shot with his left.
You already know one of the players left, of course Finnbogason, but now this week Basasi. Are that the kind of players you need in front of the team?
Yeah, of course. It's not nice to lose the good players. But you know, some people need to get a new chance, and then they have to prove themselves. And I think that that'll be okay.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's the football, you know. People goes, and I did the same in my club, and then a new player can show himself off and take the step up. So it's normal.
No, I meant it's hot.
No, it's hot. Yeah.
Sorry for my English.
Yeah, it's hot, but it's nice that we don't play in the afternoon.